Have you been wondering what is functional medicine and what is functional medicine coaching, particularly, and how is nutrition connected to functional medicine? So, when you enroll for a functional medicine coaching, what do you get? So, that's what we are going to be talking about today. Keep watching. Hello, Anil. Welcome to today's talk session. And could you please explain to us what is functional medicine?
The approach of the conventional system. Let's say we are at a river and we see boats coming down, many people boating, and some boats are getting damaged, they're breaking or damaged. So the conventional or the normal system would be to go get the boat aside, and maybe we could be having sophisticated equipment to x-ray the sides of the boat or underneath and see where the damage is and repair the damage, and that's it. So in a functional medicine approach, one would say we have to repair the boat, that's clear, but then one would say that why are so many boats breaking? What's wrong? What's the reason? And how are they breaking? Is perhaps the quality of some boats not good? Or let us go upstream. As up we can go and see that are there some very curbs where it's banging, or the water is very fast, or the person rowing is not stable, the paddles are not okay. It can be so many causes. So that would be functional medicine, like a person, blood pressure, tablet, that's it. But why? Always remember functional medicine, why? Why did the pressure go up? Why did the body make the pressure go up? What's the reason behind it? And how is it happening? There are various dynamics for the pressure to be increased by the body. How, why? So we have to look into all that, and when we are looking into all that, the root cause is normally surfaces. So it's how, why, when. In functional medicine, what is happening today, the symptoms, they could have started many years ago. So how, why, when, and the root cause surfaces. So we take care of the root cause. And in this entire thing of how, why, when, the root cause, we'll notice that for every person, the situation coming up is unique. So every person has to be handled uniquely. There is no one pill for everyone. That is functional medicine.
What we understood is that every person is unique, and every person's body is different from each other. And when there is through the functional medicine way, the symptoms, not just the symptoms, are treated. That's what Anil was trying to explain. Like the boat is having problems, but it's not that somebody fixes it and then let it sail again. So we find the root cause of the problem. Why is it happening? Why is the body different now, and why is the person not comfortable in their own body? So we see the underlying issues and correct the underlying issues, so which is called correcting from the root cause. And how, because every person is unique, we have a personalized way of approaching it. So it's not just one treatment that suits all. It's not that one solution for everyone. Everybody has their own personal way of treatment, and the approach is totally personalized. That's what we understood.
Correct. The cause can be one, poor nutrition, and the symptoms it can show up. Poor nutrition can show up in the long run as blood pressure issues, diabetic issues, neurological issues, because nutrients are not going in. So one cause, many symptoms. And symptom can be one, let us say, blood sugar elevated, but then the causes can be many, maybe nutrition, maybe stress. So one has to decipher, interconnect and then the underlying factors have to be addressed and resolved. Functional medicine.
So, what does a trained functional medicine coach do? Like, how do they usually coach? What is the process?
Okay, so two factors come into play here: a coach and a functional medicine coach. So, coaching is basically a skill where the coach, a very trained coach, will never suggest anything to the client, because it's the client who comes to you knows what the problem actually is. So the functional medicine, so the coach will normally, do active listening, and it's a process where the client is, while talking, getting more insight into the self and realizing what's happening, and the coach is just guiding. Oh, you see, you feel that's your issue. Okay, so how will you resolve it? So it's just like a guide, just like someone letting the person themselves know what they want to do first, and then later on. So that will be there as a very neutral person, knowing everything yet not judgmental. Just kind of a canvas where the client, through his expertise, is asking questions and letting the client put up everything on the canvas and let the client see the picture, and then he's just guiding what the client needs first to be done. And a functional medicine coach would be a coach plus trained in this functional medicine, like let us say will be very well trained in functional lab work, because many times we can guess what is wrong, but the lab work can show the figures. So we can have very comprehensive blood lab work. We can have advanced testing, like for example, dried urine, where you can see the metabolites, dried spot blood testing, where the metabolism byproducts are picked up from deep inside where the cell working is taking place, and from that it can be deciphered what is missing or what is wrong or what is blocked inside. So they'll be trained in all these.
So I have a question. Blood reports are connected to any kind of, medical field. So what is different in the functional medicine way?
Functional medicine always like to see, because they believe in the holistic thing, they always prefer to have comprehensive tests, always believing that the entire body's biochemistry is interconnected. Digestion, detoxification, nervous system, immune system. So they want to see the whole interconnectedness. And there are some markers which show behind the scene what's happening always, not the front scene. And the main functional medicine markers are like comprehensive stool test, where we know what's happening in the gut, dried urine tests, which show the metabolites. They don't pick up substance from the blood serum, but from the inside of, from things after the cells have done their work. Same with dried blood spot tests. So these are very well-known international functional medicine markers.
Okay, so that these tests throw a very clear picture of what is going on behind the scene, and they also point towards the underlying issue about the condition of the body as a whole.
Yeah, so mostly available everywhere in the world.
Moving to the next part, like when someone is really interested in functional medicine coaching and wants to really work with a functional medicine coach, for example, you, and what would the process be? Like, once they do they have to sign up? What is the whole procedure all about? Could you explain to us? And what really goes on in coaching?
The first step is, I think we have to make them understand again, despite this video, this talk, that what are they going to expect? Because the problem is that people just want a pill for the remedy. So same they expect. I get calls whole day. I'm having cold. Can I have a supplement? I can't sleep. Can I have a supplement? Nothing is going to happen with the supplement at all. It will be the best supplement in the world till we don't know the root cause, right? So I want to learn guitar, let us say. Yeah, I can download from the net how to learn guitar. Can I really master it? No. Okay, I can go to my guitar coach and he tells me, okay, come, I'll tell you everything in 1 hour. Can I learn guitar in 1 hour?
Not
No,
possible.
same thing here, because I can have the book with me, but I'll get stuck the chord, the
Okay.
strumming, how to put the pressure, everything. Same way, functional medicine, what we just said just now, I said that there is lab work involved, there is a very detailed health history intake, very detailed listening to the person is the most important thing, because what's written in the health history, what the person is speaking could be two different things. Something which is very important, the person will speak first. And then comes the lab work, then comes the nutrition, because I had some friends and they told me that we also want nutrition. I said, wonderful, very good. What do you all do? Did they educate you? Did they tell you about carbs and proteins? No, we are not interested in all that. Every morning on our WhatsApp, we get a ready menu, what we eat morning, afternoon, evening. We give it to a maid and she makes it and we eat it. I said, but after a week, you might get bored with it. Same thing you have to eat. Don't you want to eat something else? Yeah, after a week, we stop it. So we have 2 weeks, we have just what you want to eat. Anything as a junk food. Yes, 2 weeks junk food, 1 week dieting. And the next then we go back to the diet again as the same person. No, we look for a different person, different flavor, different taste. So that thing does not work here. It does not work here.
Okay.
Here we are there to guide, to educate, to inspire, to motivate, because here we believe in sustained wellness. Not only solving the problem with which you have come here, but you go back home and you remain well your whole life. So we have to teach you that. So basically, the person comes in. So first one is mainly health history, intake, active listening, understanding the person's problems and seeing what is the priority. So we are just blank. You see, what is the priority? Addressing the priority. Maybe it could be sleep. Maybe it could be relationship problems, which are the main cause. Maybe it could be nutrition. So in nutrition, a proper guide, understanding, educating, so that making that person the master chef, so that they can play around with food, they understand food, lab work, sleep. So it carries on like this. And holding the person accountability, okay, you did the session today, after 2 weeks, are you coming back? If you don't hold them accountable, they won't come back. They want to come back, but they get sucked into something else. We don't prioritize the health. We come for health, happiness, but we get stuck here and there. So they have to be accountable. We are just partners guiding. So it's totally comprehensive, a lot of work, a lot of dedication from a heart for the other person to get really well and have a vibrant, joyful life. That is functional medicine coaching. So
excellent.
Also understanding that either they come to us for having their health healed and we tell them everything like a fast forward video. We pack everything what we said in just 1 hour and give it to them, and they go back, and then we write and give it to them, but they go back, they are lost. It's no use. Or other way, that what would be, a rapid fire machine gun. Like a machine gun, you fire everything and tell them 10 different subjects, you tell them, nothing will happen. So you understood it's a process. So now I want to ask you, people listening there, what do you think? Is it a 1 session job, 2 sessions, 3 sessions? How many months do you think this is going to be effective?
I want to ask the audience the same question. Do you think in 1 session your health can be sorted, can be fixed, solution can be found? Perhaps we might come to know what is going on with your health. But health is, I would say it's a journey. Healthy living is a journey. It's not a destination. So we are ever going to be traveling this route of taking care of ourselves, eating well, sleeping well, taking less stress. So if someone thinks that, okay, I'm just going to someone, maybe a physician, a practitioner, a coach, a doctor, anyone, I go for 2 sessions, I'll just listen to them, what's going on with my health, and they'll give me a lot of information, what to eat and all that. And then I come and then I fix myself, and then I know everything and I can do it all by myself. It doesn't work that way. because our body is functioning every millisecond and things are going on all the time. So that doesn't mean that you need coaching all the time. I'm not meaning to say that, but spend considerable amount of time to learn what is nutrition, what is good food, what is good to eat, how is my body working, what is not going on right in my body. To understand this with one session, two session, it's impossible. You need to sort of spend a good lot of time. I would say like 4 sessions or 5 sessions or 6 sessions. Why not? Because these days we feel there was a time when mental health was completely ignored. We never used to understand when someone used to say that, mental health is equally important as physical health. Yoga, meditation, everything was just considered as like, when we have the time, we will see. But we have come to a point where most people consider mental health very important, really important, because that is why you see that people are meditating, people are learning yoga. There are various therapies that are available around us. Now, why not give the same importance to our physical health? Why do we immediately go for a prescription? Why do we wait for instructions for someone to tell us what to do? Rather than that, like Anil said, become a master chef and play around, understand the basic concepts of nutrition, understand the basic concepts of health approach, learn it, and do it yourself. You could always do it yourself. In order for you to become a master chef, we coaches or we practitioners have to guide you the right way, educate you the right way. It's not that we give you a document and say please do follow this because you have paid me this kind of money and I'm going to be coaching you like for 1 session, 2 session. I give you all the information and bang, finished and it's over. It's not that. So it really takes a lot of time to understand. Now, the thing is that when we say that we motivate you, we encourage you to learn more, we cannot do that by just staying aloof, giving you everything and then, oh, my job is done. It's not like that. So we are going to be on your side, cheering you up with every single step that you take. We will be giving you suggestions. You adapt them in your life. We will be seeing, we'll be observing how that suits you. If it doesn't go well with you, we find alternatives for that. And when you do well and your body is responding and you feel better, we cheer you up and we go to the next step. So it's a parallel approach. It's that you sometimes, there are times when, clients come to us and say that, oh, I'm totally lost. I don't know what to do. They come to a breaking point where, they just can't focus. They just can't even understand when we are talking to them. So what do such clients need? The clients need a person to guide them, to support them, to encourage them, to motivate them. While you will be leading us with information, we will guide you how to move forward. So this leads quite a lot of time, not 1 year, at least 5 to 6 sessions or even 3 months. And you could always put a full stop when you feel that, oh, I'm doing good, I'm feeling better, my mood is better, my body is working better, thanks to my coaches. Now I have a book, a guideline, I'm going to be following this. And then you may always come back for it later, because at another stage, you must be feeling something else in the body. Or even if you don't feel something in the body, like I said, any normal person can go the functional medicine way and can learn about your own body. Or you could learn to cook the healthy way. There are so many approaches that have come. I'm not talking about diets. I'm not at all talking about diets or fads. I'm talking about getting into the kitchen and home cooking. The best, how to choose ingredients, how to read labels. These are things that we need to know so that, we eat the right kind of food. It's not that I've done the grocery shopping, I've given it to somebody's hands and then they are cooking for me, just giving them instructions. Only put 2 spoons of oil. No, this oil is not good, that oil is not good. Rather than that, and go checking on Google. That's not the right way. The right way is to educate ourselves. And that is why we are here. Anil is here. I am here to guide you the right way through our knowledge and education that we have through leading institutes. Anil is from School of Applied Functional Medicine. He's a functional medicine practitioner. He's also done certifications from T. Colin Campbell. He's also studied nutrition from Institute of Integrative Nutrition. And I am a nutrition coach. I have studied from Institute of Integrative Nutrition, New York. So here we have customized programs, personalized programs, and we help you through functional medicine approach and nutrition combined. And overall, we offer you as a package. It's your choice to go in for the number of sessions, but always bear in mind that to invest time. Now, the point comes where all of us agree that when it is health, we tend to put things for later. I will see it later. Okay, it's a small symptom. I just take a Crocin and I'm feeling better. I'll just take a headache medicine and the headache is gone. So it's gone. It's fine. I'm doing good. But it might be a point where things are going out of control, and that pill is not helping you, and you have to run to a doctor or a physician or a practitioner, and you feel that I have lost control of my life. I have lost control of my life, of my health. So why not invest on it? We go in for expensive clothes, we go in for expensive holidays, we go in for partying, clubbing, even eating food in the most fancy restaurant in town. So why don't we invest that kind of money and time in building up our health, to take care of ourselves? That is the foundation. So make time for yourself and you will have the best of health.
Wonderful, Preeti, explained very, very well. So it's clear that there is no one pill approach over here. And now is the rapid machine gun fire going to help? So it is a journey, it's a long journey, but very well invested time journey where we invest now and later on in age we enjoy. So health is my closest companion. Till the last breath, health is my companion. If anyone else is going to be or not be there. So now tell me, I'm sure people are interested, how we can help them. So how can they contact us?
Okay.
So they want to get in touch.
It's online. Everything, all our services are online, and we are sitting in two different places. Me and Anil, we are not in the same city, but we work together, and our clients are in different places in India. They are from out of India, from other countries also. So we have these clientele which is very mixed, because we are able to cater to different time zones. We are able to cater to different locations. So, and how do you contact us? You can contact us through our websites. So when it is Anil's, it is backtobeginnings.com. And his social media handles on Instagram, it's Back to Beginnings. On Facebook, it's Back to Beginnings. And his name, as you know, is Anil Grover. So you can find him, and it's the common name, like Back to Beginnings everywhere. You can just send him a message, or you can go to his website and book a short appointment, and we call it as a discovery call. So where he will get in touch with you. He will find out if you really need coaching, what kind of support do you need, and all of that. Once the discovery call is done, then we take on with coaching. So then it's, like I said, it's functional medicine and nutrition combined. So then I will also come in the picture. And if you would like to get in touch with me, my website is www.risingonmyown.com. And my social media handles are Instagram is Rising on My Own. My Facebook is Rising on My Own. So you can feel free to message me and find out the coaching options that we have, the sessions that we have, and then we take it on from there. And both of us are involved, so we will see during the discovery call what do you need the most, and we start with that. And if you want to email us, you can email on health@backtobeginnings.com. So this is the starting point. So you write to us, and then we make you fill up a few forms. I mean, it's not longer than a bank form. When you go and stand in queue and fill up the form for hours, it's much more easier than that. It's about you. It's all about you.
The bank form to deposit money is very short, but to take a loan is very big.
Take a loan is very
Which kind of form you have?
Yes. And since this is one of the most important factors, health, like you could take some time out so that we understand you better. Just over a phone call or over a message, we will not know about you. So, to understand you better, we will make you fill up some forms. That will be the basis of our foundation. And then, like Anil said, if we need blood work, you could do that, and everybody does blood work. Even if a person in the pinkest of their health would need a blood work to see if everything is going on normal in the body. And nutrition comes into play, food comes into play. We will teach you recipes, we will teach you how to plan your diet, what food is good, what is not good, what type of body do you have, and what should you be eating, when should you be sleeping, when should you be eating, what you should be eating, everything. So it is like, we will be a thorough guide for you, a thorough support for you, morally, physically, and that's what we do. Thank you, everyone, for listening, and thank you so much, Anil, for explaining the functional medicine approach and the whole process. So we look forward to working with you. We look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, you can always write to us or put your comments in the below comment box. And we hope to hear from you very soon. Thank you.